Good morning. I'm Jola Tejada and I will be preparing a salad which is good for our health. So my ingredients is cabbage, which is repolyo, repolyo, carrots, and mayonnaise, mayonnaise, two paminta, dalawang paminta, pati ay suka, patis, and asukal. That's all our preps for today. So let's start. First, I already washed my hands pala, mama. And first is maglagay ng repolyo sa lagay. Malamang. And hinugasan ko siya, basa-basa pa siya. So, let's sanitize first. And what's next? The carrots. Let's put it in here. And the carrots. So let's put it another one. Kasi pwede naman magdagdag if kulang pa naman. So next step is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Let's find it here. Put it in here. Ay, nalagyan natin lahat. Para hindi sa. This is a simple procedure of how making a salad, you know. It's good for our health. And also we have so many nutritions if we eat this. And one suka. Type 1. Isa lang. Then, okay. 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. Yeah. 1.5. Wala pa lang. Hindi pala need ng patis. Kasi parang kaalat na siya. So, hindi na siya pwede. So, yeah. Sugar. Oh, may mayonnaise. Wait. I got another spoon. So, 2 scoop. Para medyo matamis-tamis naman. Yan. So, pwede pa naman tayo magdagdag if kulang tayo sa tamis. Wala namang problema. And, I think this is paminta. Oh, okay, forget the asin. Kuha na lang ako ng asin mamaya. We put then half. Hindi, eto lang. Isang buong ganito. Isang buong paminta. Konti lang naman siya, yung Uruguay naman siya. Yeah. I get the asin. And this is our asin. Salt, rock salt. Wala kaming iodized salt. So, rock salt. This is the corn. Hindi lang. Kasi nag-prepare po ako dito ng step by step, which is parang the ito. Kahit, konti lang. Ay, masyadong marami. Konti pa. And that's it. I'll put this na dito and let's mix it. Ooh. I'll mix it first muna and babalik ako if I'm already preparing. So I'm done with mixing it, and this is what the consistency I make. So let's put in another plate. This is what. Oh, I forgot. I'll make it picture na lang para makita na. So that's all my preparation for salad. Thank you.